A shiny brown colored element X on heating in air becomes black in color. Name the element X and the black colored compound formed. Element X is copper and the black colored compound is copper oxide. When copper is heated in the presence of oxygen, it forms copper oxide, which is black in color. On behalf of Adovector Solutions, I wish you a cheerful welcome. What is corrosion? Explain with examples. The process of slowly eating up of metals due to the reaction of atmospheric gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfide and water vapors on the surface of metals. This phenomena is known as corrosion. In general, the surface of metals react with atmospheric gases and other chemicals and convert into oxides, carbonates, sulfides. The most common example of corrosion is rusting. When an iron article exposed to moist air for a long time, its surface is covered with a brown flaky substance called rust. Rust is basically hydrated ferric oxide and it is formed due to the attack of oxygen, gas and water vapors present in the air on the surface of the iron. Similarly, copper lose their luster or shine after some time. So copper reacts with carbon dioxide, oxygen and water vapors and form a green layer called copper carbonate and hydroxide. The surface of sulfur metal gets tarnished. It loses its luster and becomes dull due to the exposure to air. It is because of the formation of a coating of black silver sulfide on its surface by the action of hydrogen sulfide gas present in the air. Why is the Statue of Liberty green? When the statue was gifted to the US from France in 1885, she was actually a shiny copper color. The chemical reactions involving oxygen, carbon dioxide and even air pollution led to her color change from copper to green. What are the effects of corrosion? Mostly the effects of corrosion are damaging in nature, but there are few exceptions. Corrosion causes damage to automobiles, car bodies, bridges, iron railings, ships, and objects made up of metals, specifically made up of iron. Corrosion is a wasteful process. Every year, tons of various metals, especially iron, get wasted because of rusting. In case of aluminium, corrosion is somewhat helpful because it forms a coating of aluminium oxide which prevents the further oxidation of aluminium. What are the different methods to prevent corrosion? Some common methods used for prevention of corrosion are by painting the iron articles such as window grills, iron gates, steel furniture, bodies of cars, etc. By greasing and oiling the iron articles like in machine tools, machine parts, etc. By galvanization means coating the surface of iron objects with a thin layer of zinc. What is rancidity? Oxidation has damaging effects on food and eatables. Rancidity can be defined as slow oxidation of oils and fats present in food material, and this results in formation of some bad smelling compounds. What are the different methods to prevent rancidity? The basic principle to prevent or slow down rancidity is to slow down the rate of oxidation of oil fats in the foodstuff. It can be achieved by any one of the following methods. By keeping food materials in airtight containers, by refrigeration of the foodstuff. Due to lower temperature, oxidation is slowed down. By adding antioxidants. In the food industry, a number of special type of substances are added before packing which slow down the process of oxidation. Such substances are called antioxidants. For example, butylated hydroxyanisole and butylated hydroxytoluene. Vacuum packing is another way. The container is evacuated before sealing so that no air or oxygen is available to bring about the oxidation of the food. By replacing air by nitrogen, in some foodstuff, for example, bags of potato chips are flushed with nitrogen to prevent them from oxidation. By avoiding the cooked food and food material in direct sunlight also slows down the rancid process. I hope you like our video and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thanks.